Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birth anniversary of the most prominent leader of Indian independence struggle. Known for his non-violent movement, this day is celebrated to honor the iconic leader Mahatma Gandhi. Let's pay our tribute to the messiah of non-violence and take leadership to create a better quality in India and to create a best India.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम 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 भज प्यारे तू सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Be the change you want to see in the world. The future depends on what we do in the present.
Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India celebrated on 2nd October. This day is celebrated in honor of birthday of father of nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. Internationally, this day is celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence, as Mahatma Gandhi was a preacher of non-violence. He was a symbol of peace and truth. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat. In his autobiography, My Experiment with Truth, he described his childhood and his teenage years, his marriage with Kasturba at the age of 13, and his sheer dedication for his motherland.
Mahatma Gandhi, also called Bapu, was an Indian political leader and freedom fighter. His popularity earned him the title of Father of the Nation. He was loved and respected by all religious communities. Gandhiji fought tirelessly to free India from Britishers. Mahatma Gandhi contributed over 30 years to the Indian politics. Before coming to India, he was a social rights activist in South Africa. Mahatma Gandhi headed the 400-kilometer Dandi Salt March or the Namak Satyagraha in 1930. He also organized the Quit India movement of 1942. He was put behind the bars several times for his role in the freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi's policy of truth and non-violence became a great hit not only in India but all across the globe. His birthday on 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and also as the International Day of Non-Violence.
The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Gujarat in Porabandar. His relentlessness and hard work to achieve Swaraj was truly commendable. Not only that, he also tried his level best to get rid of social issues like untouchability from the country to make India an inclusive country. 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in the entire country with great enthusiasm. This is declared as a national holiday. The cremation of Mahatma Gandhi is decorated with flowers and garlands. People from all over the country pay homage to this great leader.
taught us to be the change we wish to see in this world. He taught where there is love, there is life. He followed the path of ahimsa and non-violence to make us all unite. He is the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was one of the greatest freedom fighters the world has ever seen. He was a self-sacrificing hero who rose to the occasion of freeing the country from the grasp of the British. He began several movements such as Quit India movement, Satyagraha movement, etc. He started his life as a lawyer and believed in non-violence and considered peace to be of foremost importance in the case of winning the struggle.
गांधी जी का चश्मा बुद्ध और निराला, देखा जिसने स्वतंत्र भारत का भविष्य उजियाला। गांधी जी के चश्मे ने देखी कई अनोखी बातें, हम भी सोचे समझे और अपनाएं उनकी दी हुई सीखें। सच्चाई की राह पर चलकर भी मिसाल बन सकते हो, तलवार और बंदूक के बिना भी बुराई से लड़ सकते हो। ज़रूरी कर ईश्वर की भक्ति तो उतनी ही ज़रूरी स्वच्छता और सादगी। कपड़े बदलकर भीतर न बदलेगा, बुरा ना बोलो, बुरा ना सुनो, बुरा ना देखो से ही बदलेगी जिंदगी।
Today I will say a few points on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as a national festival on 2nd October every year to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Second, the United Nations adopted a resolution to celebrate 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Third, it is one of the 3 officially declared holidays of our country. Fourth, people all over the world pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on this day and pledge to follow his teachings. Fifth, residents decorate statues portrait of Mahatma Gandhi with flowers and garlands all over India. Sixth, political parties and people gather near Rajghat Memorial to pay homage to the father of the nation.
देवी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। धरती पे लड़ी तूने अजब ढंग की लड़ाई, दागी न कहीं तोप न बंदूक चलाई, दुश्मन के किले पे भी न की तूने चढ़ाई, वारे फकीर खूब करामात दिखाई, चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़क बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम।
मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी भारत एवं भारतीय स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन के प्रमुख राजनीतिक एवं आध्यात्मिक नेता थे। राजनीतिक और सामाजिक प्रगति प्राप्ति हेतु अपने अहिंसक विरोध के सिद्धांत के लिए उन्हें अंतर्राष्ट्रीय ख्याति प्राप्त हुई। महात्मा गांधी से पूर्व भी लोग शांति और अहिंसा के बारे में जानते थे, परंतु उन्होंने जिस प्रकार सत्याग्रह, अहिंसा व शांति के रास्ते पर चलकर अंग्रेजों को भारत छोड़ने पर मजबूर कर दिया, उसका कोई दूसरा उदाहरण विश्व इतिहास में देखने को नहीं मिलता। संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ ने 2007 में गांधी जयंती को विश्व अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में मनाए जाने की घोषणा की थी। इसीलिए कहा गया है कि सच्चाई की राह पर चलकर ही मिसाल बन सकते हो, तलवार और बंदूक बिना भी बुराई से लड़ सकते हो। भीड़ की तरह बनने की जरूरत नहीं, जज्बा है तुम में, तुम अकेले ही दुनिया से लड़ सकते हो।
मैं गांधी हूँ लेकिन सत्ता का भूखा नहीं, देश का वफादार हूँ पर तंत्रता मुझे मंजूर नहीं। चाहे जो कहना है कह दो, मैंने कहकर नहीं करके दिखाया है। आज जो स्वतंत्र भूमि मिली है तुम्हें, कईयों ने उसे जान देकर छुड़ाया है। आसान है गलती निकालना, तकलीफों के लिए दोष दे जाना। मैंने अंग्रेजों को बाहर फेंका था, तुम कूड़ा तो फेंक कर दिखलाओ। हमने स्वतंत्र भारत दिया था, तुम स्वच्छ भारत तो दे जाओ। भले मत कहो इसे गांधी जयंती, इसे स्वच्छ भारत का आवरण चढ़ाओ।
Gandhi said it was his responsibility to fight for India's rights. He was important because he led India to freedom from the British. He proved that it was possible to change the world with just one voice. through courage and determination. So on this special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, let us take a pledge to fight for our rights and to embody the teachings of Gandhiji in our lives. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.